Hi everyone, it's Robbie here from the Web Shack. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you under theme settings, shop brands, how to use that tab. Um, so basically, let's start from the top. Just to explain it quickly, what it means is that you can link brands. So let's say you're selling computers and you've got HP and Acer. You can actually potentially have people searching by brands or have the actual brand on your page. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example anyway. So let me just show you quick. So under here, I've got select the brand attribute. So I've got color or size. So now what I've got to do is I actually have to create a new attribute for brand. So I'm just going to quickly do that before I get this. So under WooCommerce, no, sorry, under products, I'm going to go attributes. Okay, so this is where I'm going to add my brands. Okay, so in this case, let me say I want this attribute to be called brands. Okay, there's another tutorial on how to use attributes and variations and all that in more detail. But for brands specifically, let me just show you how it's done here. Okay, so brands. Okay, I'm not going to worry about all that. Add attribute. Okay, so now I've got my brand attribute. Configure the terms, meaning under brands, what different brands are going to have under brands. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to say Acer. Okay, then I can upload a logo or something for that brand, or I can just have a color or something like that. But in this case, I'm just going to get an image. Okay, so I don't have an Acer logo at the moment, so I'm just going to use this E. Okay, let's just pretend that's Acer. Add new brand. Okay, cool. I've got one. So let's do HP as another one. Um, Remove, because I want it to be a different thing. So let's say, let's just use our logo. Okay, so that's HP. Add. Okay, and then just carry on adding all the different brands that you have on your website. Okay, so now I've done that. Let's go back to the settings. Shop. Back to where we were. Okay, shop brands. Okay, it's loading. Sorry, shop and brands. Okay, we're back here. Okay, so now that I've added that attribute, I can go choose brand. Okay, so now I'll show you how that looks now. Show brand on a single product. So basically what that means, if I click on a product like this, let's say quick shop, no, sorry, not quick shop, this beer. Okay, where do I want the brand to sit for this? So let's say this is HP, or any Acer or HP. I'm going to say above the title or sidebar. So you can choose one, okay? In this case, there's no sidebar, so I'm just going to have it above, okay? Then show tab with brand information. So basically under the attributes, let me go back to attributes quickly. I've got two tabs open so we don't get totally mixed up, so I don't mix you guys up. So I'm going to go back under brands, configure. So let's say my brand had a description. Here we go. This description. All right. Obviously, I'll edit that Acer one, but I'll write a nice description. Would you like it to show or not the information? Okay. Use brand name for tab title. Okay, so that's if you want the title of the tab to be the brand name. Okay, in that case, I'm going to switch it on. Show product brands next to title. Okay, so next to title over here. Okay, so let's see what I've done so far. Okay, save settings. Okay, sorry. Before I go on, I don't know whether this is Acer or HP. Okay, so in another tutorial, I'll show you how to add products. Okay, and do all that kind of stuff. But in this case, let me just quickly go to edit this product. I'm gonna say that this is an HP or Acer. In this case, I'm gonna say HP. Okay. Okay, so HP. So I go into the product, scroll down. Okay, I go to attributes. Sorry, I clicked on variations by mistake. Okay, attributes. Okay, I want to add a new attribute, brands. Okay, like I said, I got another tutorial that we put together for uh, how to add variations attributes. So okay, let's go here, and I want it to be an HP or both. You can have both brands, but obviously it doesn't really. Obviously, it just doesn't really work. Depends. I don't know. Maybe you got a product that's two brands on it. Okay, cool. That's done. So let me preview this product. Okay, awesome. There we go. So there's my, obviously it's meant to be HP, but there's my nice little logo. So now I could do that on all my products. And then if I decide I want to use this as a filter, I can actually click on that brand. Okay, so now when I click on that brand, now it's going to bring up another thing which is going to show everything under that brand, which in this case is HP, which is quite nice. So people can actually filter like that as well. So yeah, so basically quite a quick tutorial. That's basically how to use the shop under theme settings, shop brands tab. Okay, thanks very much for watching.